Psalm 34 verse 17, the righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them, he delivers them from all their troubles. Isaiah 43 verse 2, when you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and when you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep over you. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned, the flames will not set you ablaze. Psalm 107 verse 6, then they cried out to the Lord in their trouble, and he delivered them from their distress. 2 Samuel 22 verses 2-3, the Lord is my rock, my fortress, and my deliverer, my God is my rock, in whom I take refuge. He is my shield and the horn of my salvation, my stronghold. John 8 verse 36, so if the Son sets you free, you will be free indeed. Psalm 34 verse 4, I sought the Lord, and he answered me, he delivered me from all my fears. Isaiah 54 verse 17, no weapon forged against you will prevail, and you will refute every tongue that accuses you. This is the heritage of the servants of the Lord. Psalm 18 verse 2, the Lord is my rock, my fortress, and my deliverer, my God is my rock, in whom I take refuge. Jeremiah 1 verse 8, do not be afraid of them, for I am with you and will rescue you, declares the Lord. Romans 8 verse 37, no, in all these things we are more than conquerors through him who loved us. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.